For this very easy style of abaya, we need 3 meter or 3 yards of fabric. I have this woolen fabric, but you can use any type of fabric for this project. So first I just double fold it at 47 inches and cut the extra piece. Now fold it in 4 fold again and fold from here at 5 inches and then mark your armhole. Here I mark 8.5. Now just cut this piece, and same piece you have to put on your sleeve. Just take your sleeve and again fold it 5 inches and cut your sleeve according to that. Now stitch this armhole with the sleeve, something like this, and do this process all the 4 sides, and this is what we get. Now fold from here this 5-inch line and then just pin up it properly all the way. This is basically our neckline that is also on our sleeves as well. So just fold it all the way and stitch this, and just leave 2 inches open so that we can insert elastic. Here just stitch the fitting lines, as you can see here the marking. Now I'm just going to put elastic in the neckline, and after putting this elastic just knot it and do the hemline, the finishing, and also sleeve hemline, just fold that. So your abaya is ready. You can wear it with a belt, as you can see in this video, or otherwise you can use it without belt. Here is the final look. Thank you.